Okay, guys, this is our home. We build this each other, but not each other. We build our one person will build our house, and my cousin build the house herself, and me too. We had to save it, and now we this is episode 2 3. If you see the episode 1 and 2, before that you like and subscribe to the channel my cousin Derper, and you need to like and subscribe in me too. Before that, let's go mining. Okay, this is our mine. This is mine. She trapped this. I don't know why she do this. But let's go mine now. And my iron pickaxe. And this is the torch. We need to find iron, copper, more. Because we need it. Oh, I break it. And more, we need a more. I found copper yesterday, episode 2 or 1, and this is, I found it. Let's go dig here. Okay, we had the second stairs. That's one first torch, and this is the third torch. We need to dig more because we need iron, copper. Okay, let's go now. Okay, yan. After this, we need to... Oh, wait. What is that? Okay. Oh no, the creeper. Oh my god, two creeper. Oh no, I need to die. We need to run. Okay, we need to travel this up. And wait, I don't have torch, guys. I forgot to bring torch. Oh no. Guys, we are trapped. Wait. I need to call my brother first. Or I need to back. Wait,